Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this Python interview questions sequence of videos, today we are going to discuss about 46th interview question. What is this question? Very simple. We are going to talk about bitwise complement, how this bitwise complement is going to work. Explain about bitwise complement in Python. How this bitwise complement operator is going to work in Python, we have to demonstrate. Let us see. Sir, complement means what? We know the symbol which we are using for this is nothing but a tilde symbol, something like negation. But first, theoretically, you should have an idea about this. Then only we can go for executable code. Coming to this theoretical point, complement of a number n, we have some formula is there. First, let me take a complement of 6. See, the people are going to feel 6 means 8421 code. Okay, so 4 plus 2 is the 6, right? Like this. So complement of 6, complement of these bits in the sense every 0 will be converted into 1 and 1 will be converted into 0. So its equivalent is 8421, 8 plus 1, 9. Like that the people are going to feel. But this is absolutely wrong methodology, because why we are representing the binary number in 4 bits? Just for our convenient purpose, we are representing the number in 4 bits format. But actually, in how many bits we have to represent? Either 8 bits or 16 bits, like that we have to use. Consider the same number I am taking in n number of bits. At last, 0 will be there. In front of that, so many zeros. In front of that, so many zeros will come. But after that, 8-bit representation I am taking. So this is nothing but whatever number we have. If you apply complement for this, what will happen? Sir, every bit you have to convert, right? Every bit you have to convert. This is nothing but actual result what we have. But sir, if this bit, if you want to take this number for decimal equivalent, directly you can take it as a 6, because this last bit is there, right? I mean, first bit is there, right? This bit is called as most significant bit. MSB, most significant bit. If the most significant bit is 0, then that number is nothing but positive number. Then that number is nothing but what? Positive number. Directly we can convert that number into binary. There is a decimal, there is no issue. Suppose if most significant bit is 1, okay, if your most significant bit is 1, please make sure that this number is which number? Negative number. So this number is which number? Negative number. If you have negative number, you can't convert directly into decimal point. You can't convert directly into decimal value. For that, we need to take 2's complement method. What is mean by 2's complement? Sir, 2's complement formula is 1's complement plus 1. Let us apply that. So excluding this MSB, for all these bits, we have to take 2's complement. Means what? Everything will become 0, right? Everything will become 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, like that. For this, we have to add 1. If you add 1, what will happen? 1 plus 0, 1, here 1, and all the zeros will come. So now, what is the decimal equivalent of this? 8421. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. But we have sign is there, right? So the result will become what? Minus 7. So the complement of 6 is nothing but what? Minus 7. The formula is complement of n is nothing but what? N plus 1. This is nothing but how internally it is going to work. Majority of the students, they don't know the working principle of this complement operator in Python. blindly they are going to follow. But you can use this formula for calculation, for easy calculation purpose. But internally, how it is going to work, I demonstrated with a clear example. I hope you understood the scenario very clearly, right? Let us go for executable code. If you want, you can take this screenshot. Okay. Let us go for executable code, sir. Now I am asking n is equal to int of input, enter any number, enter any number. Sir, if you print the given number is nothing but as it is I am printing. And sir, complement of the given number, complement of the given number is nothing but complement of n. Like that I am taking. Complement of the given number is nothing but complement of n. We are not required to do these two's complement all these things because internally it will take care of that. Let us run. Enter any number. I am giving 5. Sir, what output we are going to get? Just now I told the formula, right? Minus of n plus 1. Minus of 5 plus 1, which is nothing but 6. Sir, if the input itself is minus 5, then what will happen? Minus of minus 5 plus 1. So minus 5 plus 1 is nothing but minus 4. Minus of minus 4 is nothing but what? Plus 4. Let us run this code. You can see the complement of that number is nothing but what? 4. Like that internal calculation will be there, sir. This is nothing but what is mean by bitwise complement in Python. How you can use this bitwise complement in Python. I hope you got a very clear idea. Okay. Thank you, friends.